packed up. The kids are inside. We are ready to go to Hanna Park in Jacksonville, Florida. Got everything packed back here. We've got the air mattress, I got our luggage, the griddle, some chairs, some board games, all sorts of goodies. It's for our trip, a 2-night camping trip in Hanna Park. We left Orlando, Florida about 12:45 in the afternoon. We had some beautiful scenic routes along the way. I am Marlene, and this is my husband, Tony, and our 2 youngest kids, Avery and Elias. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be heading to Jacksonville, Florida, which is about 2 hours north on 95. And we will be staying 2 nights in Catherine Abbey Hanna State Park in Jacksonville, Florida.
Finally! That took like a bunch of hours.
Did.
Okay, so we just went into the check-in process. It was really easy. We just left our cash deposit and they gave us a map to our cabin, so we're on our way right now.
Let's go. We've done primitive camping, tent camping, and RV. So we wanted to try something a little different, and we stayed on one of the 5 cabins that they had on the campsite property. We made it to cabin 13. Go.
Check it out.
Go, open it up. All right, so it's just an empty space. We're gonna put our beds, we got a picnic table, we got our cooler, we're gonna fill it up with our stuff. So let's see what we can transform this place into. Ready?
Hey!
All right, here we go. We've got our master bedroom over here. Hold on, Avery. We've got our kids' room over here. We have our kitchen where we got our picnic table, our griddle, our toaster. My kids are super duper picky, so we've got a toaster. We can make little sandwiches and stuff. We've got our refrigerator cooler, our pantry over here, and our dresser. We even have a toilet, a bathroom, just in case, right here in the corner for emergencies. We've got our games all up here and extra blankets and towels just in case it gets a little bit more chilly outside. The heater's been on, so it's nice and warm in here, and we are gonna get ready to explore. Let's go. All right, so we have some other friends that are staying here in Hanna Park, so we are actually walking to their campsite. They are a few streets down from where we are at, and we're on our way there. But the day is beautiful. It is, what time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
So we made it out here. We met up with our friends. We're just chilling by the fire. We're gonna do a little bit of barbecuing and just hang out.
We're walking back to our camp through the campsite from our friend's cabin. It's 9 o'clock.
decided to take an early morning walk, and then I'm gonna jog back. But I found this trail, and I can hear the ocean, so let's see if it leads to the beach. Pretty excited.
We're starting off our breakfast. We got the griddle, we're making some bacon, and we're gonna make some eggs. And we've got some waffles that we're gonna put in the toaster. And we got milk, we got some fruit. So we are good to go. Morning, boys.
Morning.
Mm.
Oh my god, that is the best smell I ever tasted.
The best smell you ever tasted?
Oh, what is that?
The bacon.
So right now, headed over to with these guys to brush our teeth and comb our hair.
So we are enjoying a beautiful Tuesday morning. We rented some bike cruisers. Avery's on his scooter. We are riding through the campsite. Hello. One of my favorite parts of Hanna Park is that you are so close to this view. No trip is complete without a visit to the ocean. We are true Floridians and we love the water, but it was wintertime, so it was too cold for us to go in. But we definitely saw a lot of surfers that were out there enjoying the waves, and the spring and summertime, this beach must be amazing. Ah, look at you. While Tony and Elias explored some more difficult biking trails, Avery and I stopped at the main playground near the campstore. This is one of several playgrounds that are located throughout the campsite, as well as they have a kids splash park, disc golf, canoe rentals, and boat ramps, fishing piers, and so much more. So we just took a light walk all the way to the end of the campsite ground. We found this beautiful little lake, secluded, and there's a few pavilions and a few campsites and campgrounds around the edges, but wow, what a view. This is so pretty. So we left for a little bit to go around the campsite, and they needed to go to the bathroom, and this one fell on his scooter, and some campers nearby helped him out while we were gone. And now he's walking like this. Show us. How you walk? Oh my gosh, with a broken arm. Along the entire perimeter of the campgrounds, there are hiking and off-road bicycle trails, starting at easy, more difficult to very difficult, and as little as a quarter of a mile to about 6 miles. There were plenty of opportunities for the kids to explore and be adventurous. So we came across this cute little bridge, crossing over a little area of water. After our hiking trip, we prepared a little dinner over the fire. And then at the camp store, we got these campfire color packets where you toss them into the fire. And for about 30 minutes, they shine all sorts of pretty rainbow colors in the fire. S'mores. You want some more s'mores?
Some more.
Some more s'mores. We ended day 2 playing a little game of life with the kids. And then we finished the night over at our friend's campsite watching a little game of basketball. All right, so we are all packed up. We are finished with our 2-night stay in Hanna Park in Jacksonville, Florida. We had an amazing time. This beautiful, cute little cabin. It was just perfect for the 4 of us.
See you next time.
Bye.